Hi, my name is Katie, and today I'm here with.
Hi, my name is Mika, and I will be the navigator for this session.
Okay, so today in class um we cover chapter 2 and 3. So I'm gonna just go over the code and explain what we did. Um, so in chapter two, so yeah, chapter two was creating and using components. So I did create my own that I will explain. Um, okay. So over here we've got nickname, the tray. So here we are just importing the component, and here we've got an array that stores the nicknames that will be displayed on the front end, and then we've got the let nickname loop. So basically the code that I highlighted, the dot map, just so the dot map over there that loop through the nicknames array, and then the li over here that creates a list element for each nickname, and then the key index over here that is just for React to track each list in the item. And then we've got the nickname loop ul over here, and what it does is it renders a list of items inside the unordered list. And now we just have to show the front end, so I'm just going to start it. As we can see, the nicknames has appeared, like over here there's KD, like all the nicknames. So I really don't have nicknames for my name, but that is it. And then I'm going to move on to chapter 3. So chapter 3 was about binding prop state and events. So in this chapter, we explore displaying data by binding controls in a JSX template to properties of a React component. So there was a lot of bootstrap and styling in here, so I'm just gonna go over the code. So the first things first, we are busy with table headers. So over here, uh, over here. So the hash key over here that displays the row number, and then we've got the rating. So the rating displays an actual rating component, and then the random icon over here, that is where the columns will appear. So looping through writing array using dot map. So the dot map over here goes through each rating like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the new table row is created for each rating, and then the key index over here that is for React to track any changes made. And then here we've got index plus 1. So this is in automatic numbering, so the row starts from 1 instead of 0. So that is how the table is created, and then each row displays a rating component based on the current rating. Um, And then over here, that's what just show the icons that we have displayed. So the correct icon can appear in its designated row, and it also uses a conditional check by index equal basically over here to place the icon in the right place. So now I'm going to show you the server. As we can see, here is a table. Here is the ratings, and this is the random icons. So we learned about random icons and styling. As you can see, I brought in this table. So where I got the icons was from here, the icons preview. So this is a page where we can find many icons that we can use in our code. Like for instance, and it also shows us how to import and how the code should look. And it is it for chapter 3 and 4. Thank you for watching.